Hi guys, my name's Clarissa. I'm a student in Broward College in my final semester in the TEP. I am going to show you guys in this video how I make one of my delicious homemade sandwiches. Hope you enjoy and thanks for watching. Alright, so here I have my ingredients. I have 2 slices of bread, honey wheat of course, because that's my favorite. I've got my deli meat. This one kind of fell apart in the packaging, but that's alright. It's turkey. I've got a slice of Munster cheese. That's my favorite kind of cheese, and I only need 1 slice for sandwiches. Got some spinach, freshly washed, tomato that I washed and cut already. I like putting in 4 slices of tomato on my sandwich so that there's like an even distribution of tomato. And then I've got some spicy brown mustard and my mayonnaise. Alright, so first steps first. Once you get your bread out, you can go ahead and lay on your condiments. So I got my spicy mustard on and my mayonnaise on. I like to get a nice thick even coat. Now I went ahead and put my turkey slice over my bread slice that had the mayonnaise, and I'm going to go ahead and just slap on my slice of cheese on my other slice of bread, and then from there you can go ahead and add your vegetables. Now I've added my vegetables. I've got my 4 slices of tomato and my spinach. Now I'm ready to put my 2 slices of bread together, so I'm just going to throw this one over that one. Luckily I didn't mess that up. And bam! Now you've got yourself a nice, thick, healthy sandwich. And then I like to go ahead and cut mine in half. So now that I've cut my sandwich in half, I can go ahead and try it. That's really good. 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching.